Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to use Fiverr Quick View, and so I'm also going to show you how to rank on Fiverr in 2025. But first guys, if you want, you can go down on this video in the comment section and click on the first comment that I pinned. This will bring you to my Fiverr, and here you can get a YouTube logo and banner or a modern minimalist YouTube logo and banner for your YouTube channel. But now back to the video. Now first of all, if you don't have Fiverr Quick View yet, the previous video on my channel actually shows you how to download and install Fiverr Quick View. It's basically how to get the Fiverr Quick View extension. In case you're having any doubts about that, in case you don't have it yet, to actually get it yourself. But if I actually go to the three dots here, go to extensions and manage extensions, you'll see mine is right here already. So make sure it's also enabled, of course. Then up here we can click it. I have all the options that are within this version. So here, of course, first of all, it's a very simple layout. Fortunately, it only really shows you what you can enable and disable. For example, focus on the keywords, you click on, their tags, the ratings. Depends if you want to have them on or off. For example, you don't want to see something, you can turn it off or on again. It's very simple. And same if you want to see the orders, favorites, where the sellers are from, things like that. So it's basically, it helps a lot with the layout as well, so that you can actually see, and most importantly, the tags that they use on their gigs. So that's very useful. That's what this tool is really for, helping you rank on Fiverr. And so if I actually go to the search bar here and type banner, for example, now this will start loading, and as you can see, it will show you some focused keywords. So this isn't perfect. Some might work better than others. You have, for example, banner design here, banner and logo, but then of course it starts to be like a Facebook cover that's already a bit more specific. But this can be quite useful if you want to get some inspiration for some tags here. But because banner is a pretty broad search term, as you can see right here as well, 20,000 results, so that's quite a lot. You'll have a lot of competition here. So if you do something more specific, for example, if your service is a YouTube banner, and you click it, you can see it goes down to 2,000 results, which is already way better because that means there's way less competition. Now you don't want this to be too low. If it says like 100 to 500 results, that means that it's just too low and that nobody is searching for it and that the niche is too small. 2,000, around 2,000 is good because you are able to rank, and it is something specific. Once again, it is a YouTube banner, so if people specifically want to search for that, they can do that, or channel art, you know, it's a bit broad, but if you want to be specific, which can help a lot because that means that you can actually go on the first page and get some orders. Now here, of course, what's also important, as you might have noticed, under the gigs here of those people, we can see the 5 tags. Now not everybody apparently, as you can see, is using 5 tags. This guy is only 1, this person used 4, but basically it is advised to use the maximum amount of tags, which is once again 5, and here you can see the ones they used. Now they actually used the YouTube channel and YouTube banner, of course the one that's important in this case, it's a specific one. They might also propose a banner and a logo, so you can also put that. So that's nice to see, you can get some inspiration from that. Now don't take the most broad one, like just the word YouTube or banner like this person. Only if you're already having a lot of orders and you're already a pretty good rated seller, as you can see. Only then I could advise you to put some more broad and more general words like banner, for example. And underneath here, as we saw earlier with the layout, you can see the number of orders that are in queue, how many people favored it, the ratings, the overall ratings, and the country they are from. Once again, if we open Fiverr Quick View here, those are these options right here that you can actually turn on or off. So that of course is also, once again, it's useful, it's a little bonus there. And so I do advise you to have this tool whenever you just created a gig, or you might be searching for gigs. So actually have this Fiverr Quick View extension on. It can be very useful and also help you rank, of course, if you're in the process of ranking your Fiverr gigs. And of course get to that first page right here, because there are in total 20 pages you can see visibly. So even if you start out on the 20th or the 18th page, it's already good because you're already starting out, you start to be visible. So it's nice to actually work yourself up to the first page. Once again, of course, it helps if you're in a specific niche that doesn't have too much results, especially in the beginning. So do also keep an eye on that and use the maximum amount of tags, which is 5. But anyways, guys, that's what I wanted to mention, the Fiverr Quick View extension. Really useful tool. Definitely advise you to get this one. In any case, I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, would be really nice. Subscribe, would also be really nice. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.